One, we are live now.
So welcome again today for another expert session. Students are joining in. We have around 40 students. As we have been arranging expert talks from last 15-20 days. So I suppose everybody is very excited for the every session that we are arranging because of the level of interaction that the students have with the expert as well as the quality of lectures. So we have been privileged to get very good speakers from industry and academia. And today also we have a very renowned speaker with us. And I'll be introducing the expert. I'll be introducing the guest speaker for today after we reach obviously the 100 mark. Now everybody is clear about this. I think I've been telling it from last 20-15 days. So we are actually starting up with this session once we reach the 100 mark. So I can see the number of attendees to be 60. So we are just short of 40. And today the participants are coming in faster than yesterday, I suppose. Yesterday we were, oh, it's 10:32 only. So it would take another 1 minute or so to reach the 100 mark. Then I'll be introducing the expert to the audience and we'll be starting up with this session. Today's session again would be one of the best sessions that you are going to attend. I must say that because I have been following sir from many days and I have seen his profile and I have seen his LinkedIn profile and I have seen his videos also. So it is going to be a great session for you students and I hope you will be getting. And today we are doing a small kind of experiment also. Like if you want to chat or if you want to have a direct interaction with our speaker, so you can raise your hand. Like you will in the earlier sessions you were typing your questions in the Q&A box, right? Today we are giving you the opportunity to directly speak to the speaker. So if you are having any kind of a question, you can raise your hand and then I would allow you to be I would allow you to talk. I would allow you to show your video. So everybody else would be able to hear your voice and everybody would be able to see you also. So in case you want to have any kind of an interaction with the speaker or if you want to share something about the topic, obviously, you can just raise your hand. Okay? If you are raising your hand, then I would give you the rights to unmute yourself and then you can speak. Then you can interact with the audience, you can interact with the speaker, you can ask your questions. So earlier sessions we used to have the interaction only in the Q&A box. So we now feel that every student we have a very mature set of students, so they will also want to be interacting with the speaker. They will also want to be live. They will also want to discuss something like they have been discussing a lot on LinkedIn. So if you want to discuss it now live in front of everybody, so you just have to raise your hands. So I can expect some questions from good students. If I can name some from the participants list. So Amarjeet, Herman, Prince, Mukul, Tushar, Vij. So yes, students, I suppose you must be Manya. I suppose you must be ready with some questions, and you can just raise your hand during the talk, at the start of the talk, or let's say at the end of the talk. So if you are raising your hand, I would suppose you are having some question. So ये जो students हैं, obviously I can see the participants list. So बहुत सारे हैं, so I have just named a few जिनके आगे roll number लिखे हुए हैं because there are around 80 students now. So I can it is alphabetically ordered, but the order is alphabetic. But if you have written your roll number, तो वो ऊपर है. So obviously I can see many students. So बहुत सारे students हैं. Maninder is there. So those are very active on the LinkedIn. Arushi is there. Right, Manisha is there. So these students, and obviously first year students also. We have Smiley. We have many students. Bhavna, you must come up and start asking the questions. So now we have 90 participants. I suppose we must start with the session now. Meantime, the more of the participants would be joining in. So welcome all today. This is our again 15 virtual talk, expert talk, and today's topic is decoding inherent intelligence and leadership traits. And we have a very good expert today. Again, also we have a doctor. We have Mr. Rajiv Gupta. He is curator at TEDx Kanke. And first of all, thank you so much, Rajiv sir, for accepting our invitation to guide our students on this relevant topic. We are very thankful to you for joining us today. And I hope every student would be, it is our privilege to listen to your talk. And now I would request my colleague Harman to introduce Mr. Rajiv Gupta.
Thank you so much, sir. It's our privilege to have you here, sir. A very warm welcome to all the attendees. I think Kamal sir has introduced, asking a person, who is a curator at TEDx needs no introduction, and in itself is a, is a big introduction. You are an institution, sir, in itself. So a hearty welcome to you. Without wasting much of the time, I hand over the stage to you so that you can interact with our students and enlighten us with your knowledge, sir. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Harman, and thank you, Mr. Kanwal, for this invitation. I'm really grateful. The moment Harman told ki just over to you, I just saw 100 participants already joined actually. So that's a great day. Very good morning to all of you, all students and young minds. I'm ready to share some of the experience. First of all, I would like to thank APJ Institute of Management Engineering Technical Campus, a vision by a great person, Dr. Satya Paul. When he started, when he just thought this kind of educational institution in India, he was visionary. And his wisdom and his statement was, what was his statement? You are falcon, soaring high in your nature. There are skies yet to you to conquer. The symbol of APJ Institute is falcon. I was also wondering what actually APJ means. Then somehow Google helped me and I found in Punjabi, it means busy. And busy means, to my little understanding, mother and grandmother. It's a great, great name actually. Otherwise, to my little understanding, APJ, when we say APJ Abdul Kalam. But first time when I heard and I came to know APJ Institute and the person behind Dr. Satya Paul, what he has done. Main institute for what? Empowering the youth. We are very fortunate to have chairman, Mrs. Susma Paul Barlia, who's taking care of this institute, this organization, and helping everyone. That's a great contribution. Just right now, I also interacted with your director, Dr. Rajesh Bagga sir. He's a great human being. So if you have a great leader, great coach, why to worry and what to worry? You have a great team, great campus. So once again, thanks for this invite. And I'm going to share some of my experience, some of my failure, some of my few success story. I think this will help you. But before that, if I ask you, if you are studying in any good institute, in any college or school, what's the objective? Objective is to get a proper education. And what proper education means? Not only the curriculum, not only the knowledge, not only the syllabus, what they are teaching you. People normally say all those curriculum, all those teaching things, everything is available everywhere, whether it's online, whether it's on Google, where library. Why we are going to institute? You are going to institute to learn. You are going to institute for what? Understand wisdom. Knowledge is everywhere. Kamal and Kulwant ma'am, you will always accept this. Knowledge is everywhere. It is also free. But to get a wisdom, to get experience, to understand ethics, to understand the practical knowledge, for that we go to institute, school and college. So don't ever feel that why we are going to college. It's the first most important thing. You should know why. And at the same time, when you get admission in any good college or in any good campus, never ever judge your faculty, your teacher, and never ever also compare. My humble request to all of you. They all have a great experience. Treat them as your coach. If you will accept them as your coach, your learning will be different. You will understand the things in a better way. And in today's modern world, what we are having, apart from our college environment, you all have got admission in two new university. To my little understanding, that two new university is, which is also kind of best university, University of Google and University of YouTube. So you learn a lot from that. Again, just use that platform to know something more. And most important thing, there is one university that somehow you may have taken admission knowingly and unknowingly, and that university is University of Observation. If you have not taken admission in this university, I request everyone and all faculty and senior member, because they have wisdom, they have experiences, so they have understood that while observing the things in and around and from surrounding, their knowledge has also got a new dimension. Yes, this is important. So my request, you always try to be open. Yes, University of Observation is very important. What I'm going to do today, I will just share a few slides to all of you. I will raise some question and I will put some point in before you. There is no shortcut method that in 10 slides you will get everything. As a faculty, as a teacher, as a coach, our role is just like a catalyst. We are a catalyst in your career. If you believe this, things will happen. But first of all, you need to accept us. If you accept, yes, you will learn. So if you are ready for that, so let us share my presentation to all of you. I will discuss on that, and then again I will come back and I will interact with all of you. So today the topic which has been given to me, decode inherent intelligence and leadership traits. Why I have chosen this title? Decode. What to decode? It means there is something inside you that is inherent intelligence you are born with. All of us are born with this inherent intelligence, and all are leaders. Don't get confused by just simply knowing few good and famous names, they are leader. No. Everyone has that leadership quality. You need to nurture, you need to work on, and you will get. But at the start also, you have sown the path. You have sown the path. Yes, you have that leadership quality to take risk, to stand up, to move. And I'm just giving you one example. When all of us, when we were born and during our childhood, when we have almost 1 year of age, and when first time we stand up, who supported you? Who told you to stand up? Who told you to stand up and move? Who told you to run? Just imagine you did it. That was the leadership traits that you are having. to stand up in a situation where you had no idea, just after watching in front of you, your parents, your brother, your sister, your society, watching whatever you were watching at that time. But at that time, you were not remembering those things because your conscious mind was not matured enough to recall those things. कि जब आपने first time stand up किया था और चलना शुरू किया था, you don't remember. You can ask your parent, yes, they will tell you when you were 9 months of old or 10 months of old, you stand up first and then you moved ahead. So this is your inherent intelligence that we are going to talk. And these are the basic leadership skill and quality that we all are born with. Now let us see how to understand those things in the present scenario and why we are stuck or why we are confused also. What is this? I'm not a bird lover, but if I ask you what it is, I think most of you are aware the bird is woodpecker. Just imagine from your university of observation, if you have seen to any zoo, if you have gone to any bird sanctuary, or if you have seen on Google or online, what is the uniqueness in this woodpecker? What is the uniqueness? You will be amazed, I am telling you. The quality of pecking into the tree, into the branches of tree, the quality and the force a bird pecker applies, you will be amazed that speed and velocity and the force what he or she, whoever be, 600 to 1500 force they are applying on one stroke. And what is 1600 and 1500 in terms of physics and force? For a common man, when you go for roller coaster, the force that you get experience is hardly five dimension of that force. 5 gravitational force is applying on your body, 5 only. And when you get hit by 50 dimension of that force, there is possibility that you will die. 50 to 60 you will die. And the force this woodpecker is applying in one pecking, 600 to 1500 gravitational force he is applying. With this quality, woodpecker is born with. And what this bird does, क्या करता है? By pecking, he make a hole on tree for their food and also try to make some hole to create something. Just imagine focus, commitment, the understanding, the science, the velocity. That's why I'm telling, try to be vigilant and try to observe from the nature whatever you like. Your symbol of your institute is falcon. Try to understand what falcon means. You will be amazed that is recognized as the fastest animal or bird in this planet. Fastest. 320 to 390 kilometer per hour speed. Imagine 390 kilometer per hour is the speed of falcon. So that's why your founder chairman thought to have this logo of falcon for you. You are a falcon and you can get those quality by observing. How? Human potential is huge, amazing. We all have restricted. Now I'm unlocking that human potential where you can go. What is this? 2 baby face and both are very cute. Even one is crying, he is looking very cute. And one who is just smiling, he is also very cute. What is the difference? What is the difference? Just try to understand and observe. because we are not interacting directly. I cannot ask question, but I'm just sharing you and telling you. For whole of life, we have given importance to this cry. We all have our parents, society, everyone. When you cry, when a child cries, our parents think that either we are hungry or we want something, we have some desire, we have some expectation. From that level, they have nurtured, they have brought us to feed only this quality. But at the same time, when your first smile was noticed by your parents, they just thought it is an automated expression, it is a joy, it is a happiness. But why? Why that child was smiling at that time? What was the reason? Unfortunately, no research or very few researches happened in this world to understand of that age why that boy was smiling. And that is you. That is you, because throughout our life, we have nurtured, we have trained, we have educated our children to provide, because they have expressed in terms of cry, mujhe chahiye, that's my desire, that's my expectation. So let us fulfill that desire and expectation. We have forgotten to understand this unique quality. Why I am saying this? With this amazing quality, we all just thought it is already automated inborn quality that either we express joy, we express happiness, we express a smiley. It is a natural thing. It is a natural thing. Now coming to your point, all of you are a young generation. Just tell me, when you are born, what we do. And when our parents and doctors say we are alive, that means you are breathing in and breathing out. You have the ability and quality to breathe in and breathe out. That shows you are alive. We know that. But when you do consciously, either in the name of pranayam or some spiritual interpretation from any language, from any religion, when you do consciously, the output, the result is different. You can get the best out of from doing pranayam by holding, by understanding, by following. Yes, human can do extraordinary work. So if you want to do something extraordinary, you do things consciously. So now if you are studying in engineering or management, you have chosen this field. Yes, I want to be engineer, I want to be MBA graduate. You are studying consciously. What you are getting a knowledge. When you chose some path and when you feel, yes, I want to be like that, but that is not, that should not be the whole objective. That is one area that you are working. That is just a one area you are working to just get your life secured in terms of material gain. That is one aspect, important aspect you should do. But why you have stopped? Why you stop that questioning, that expression, which you all were born with this smiley face? Why we have stopped? Just see where we can go. And what is the possibility I want to share to all of you. We all know from our childhood to school level that this is our solar system. हमने बहुत रट्टा मारा है. What is it up now? What is the line? Which planet comes first or near to sun and which is the farthest planet from sun? We all have thought. But have you ever thought that earlier, in more than thousands of years, when there was no computer, there was no as a scientific laboratory, they thought, first of all, they worked on, they defined, they got the distance, they got the speed, they got so many things. They got so many things 2000 साल पहले, 3000 साल पहले, 5000 years पहले. Because they had one ability to ask question. They had one ability to ask question, and with all their knowledge available in and around, they all had ability. what next? Now, students from young generation, if you are being taught a plus b whole square is what, you can answer easily. But my question to all of you, why don't you ask why a plus b whole square? And then what next? And who has propounded? And what we can do something different? What is the purpose that they have propounded this thing? Why you are not asking question? Why you are just getting all that information and mugging, and you are appearing in the exam and scoring 90 plus, and you are feeling very good about that? Yes, मैं top कर गया. Your questioning ability has stopped. My humble request to all of you, you need to understand, yes, that is the quality that you were born with, to ask question. And that is a real education. If you stop asking question, I can say you have very limited understanding, and that will actually hamper your personal life, your social life, your professional life also. Just see next slide. This is the picture of universe. What it means? Just imagine ki when a person had thought ki there is a universe, there is a galaxy, and there was no other laboratory available thing they are having. They just thought, when they saw in the night there are millions of stars sprinkling, that they just thought, what are those? How we can describe them? Just imagine their questioning ability. The same ability we all are having. Now, in India, in most of the country, being engineer means you just know the formula, you know the basic curriculum, and you are just getting all that fixed knowledge. You are not opening yourself. You are just willing ki, okay, if you are studying science, so you want to be engineer, you want to be doctor. There are a huge scope. There are immense opportunity. There are people, those who are doing research, they are going for a different career. Huge thing is happening. You need to expand yourself. And one important thing, when you know this planetary system, when you know your universe, you will understand the size of matter. The size of our planet Earth is so small. It is just like a coronavirus. It is just like a coronavirus in the context of this universe. Now, if I ask a question to you, what's your size in that context? You are smaller than coronavirus. So why we should worry? Now I am asking question to all of you. Being such a small entity, such a small, because this is such a complicated part. If you are so small, but we all are blessed. We all are blessed human being, and that's why on this planet we have ability to see this uncertain world. Why do you expect those scientists, those leaders, those great person will do for you? Why you want to just sit in the back seat and others will drive your career? Why? We all are driver, and if you don't learn how to drive your car, then don't blame anyone actually. This is your responsibility. So you are architect, you are the pilot, and you are driver of your career. So we all have to be driver of our career. So that is possible, and we can do together. And for that, a campus like APJ Institute, they want to make you a driver of your life. That is very important. Just see this small picture. What Mahatma Gandhi had told. Be the change you wish to see in the world. Be the change. If you want to bring change, just imagine the life of this butterfly. Just imagine. Just feel. So now, my humble request to all of you, your childhood memory, your youth experience, and your future, you are carrying your only experiences. If you are getting a good experience, you are becoming a better person. If you are getting a very good experience, you are having more wisdom in your personality. Who has stopped you? And why we have stopped ourselves? The question is how to do it. Any institute, college and campus will give you an opportunity to work on your knowledge ability, to work on your personal ability, and at the same time to grow as a human being in a better form, which is very important. What is happening right now in most of the institute, or due to some reason, students are only concerned about completing their syllabus, appearing in the exam, and going for some competitive exam. I want a job. That is just a small thing. Life is important, and it is more important. And for career, job is one important aspect, but to get a good job, two more important things. Two more. If you are physically fit, if you have worked extensively on your physical strength, this will help you to understand, yes, you can do things in a better way. And if you have these two ability, your physical strength, your intellectual ability, what you are studying at institute, what will happen? You all will be great in your emotional strength to accept everything. If you accept everything, if you understand the scenario, things will be unique to all of you. So if you are ready for that, I'm not going to show any formula. I'm not going to say or share any curriculum in before you, but I'm just simply saying you are the driver, you are the architect, and you can do it. But how? Let us discuss on that. This is one picture, neuroplasticity. If you are seeing this, it looks like a picture of your brain. But what is neuroplasticity? It says that we are born with this neuron in our head, and all neurons are keep changing. Neurons are carrier of all your emotion, or your intelligence, or your ability, all your quality, and these are keep changing. Who will change? Automatically, or you can do? Now there are lots of research. They are saying, yes, you can do it. How? If you have this ability, if you have this uniqueness, people normally say you are born with some amazing quality. Good. But you have seen also those who had not such great quality at initial stage. Due to some reason, they found that they can do it, and they expressed what are those qualities. If you know great scientist Stephen Hawking, he was born quite okay, but at the age of 22, he got an accident and he was paralyzed and everything went wrong. But even till today, he is being recognized as one of the finest scientists in the world. What was working? His physical strength was so weak, nothing was working. His mental ability was so strong, and his emotional strength, yes, I will deliver something, I will do research, I will contribute to the society. That willingness, that is quest, that is pagalpan, that is junoon. Yes, I will do such thing. But normally what happens when you see that story, and when you go any movie like 3 Idiot, you just see, okay, that movie is good, entertaining, but it is not for me. It is for you, because you have gone, or you have seen, and you have just found them, okay, it is interesting, so you have just gone for interesting thing. You have not gone through their process, their pain, their struggle, their effort, and that effort is very important. And who will teach you? Your institute will teach you to be very consistent, to put all the effort. And when you feel that your ma'am, your teacher, your faculty are not very expressive, who has stopped you to become a great speaker? Who has stopped you? If you will see the The speech of Barack Obama when he was young or he was just trying to be in politics in 1995, I'm telling you, you all will be amazed कि उनसे ज़्यादा अच्छा तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ. But after that consistent effort, what happened? People started liking him, people started loving him, and people started recognizing him. Yes, wow, this is possible. So nothing you can just take and just understand ki this is for them. Each and everyone has that uniqueness. Through this plasticity, neuroplasticity, you have this ability. And from my earlier slide, as I had shown you, the planetary position and universe, you just can correlate ki what is the possibility. If that is the possibility, आप केवल बैंक मैनेजर क्यों बनना चाहते हो? Why you want to be a manager in any organization? Why you want to have very small achievement? Why don't you think differently? अगर आप वो differently नहीं देखोगे तो how you will become? That's the point. So now my canvas. What's my canvas? It's very simple formula, 3D. Determination, dedication, and delivery. Now the question is, when I write, it looks very nice, and you will also write it down to what I'm writing here. Now, most of the students were writing, what is this formula? Let me write, and then you will be successful. But to understand determination, to apply yourself on a dedication and the delivery in each and every aspect of your life, from your home to your college, to your surrounding, to your family, you have to transform yourself from now to next 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. If you get into this quality in your personality, and this will help you, your neuroplasticity. If you have determination something, you start one small work, very small work. I will show you also what is important, how you can do it as your interest. Dedication, what you love. Never ever start a work that you don't know. जो नहीं जानते हो, don't do that. What you know, just work on it and develop this quality, determination, dedication, delivery to maximum extraordinary level. You have this ability. There are 1,000 millions of things that you don't know. Why to worry? They are not going to ask a question in your life. People will only praise that you are having, and you will get that recognition when you make it extraordinary. Slowly, slowly, this is your canvas, whether it's a whiteboard or blackboard or blue board, whatever apna, you just work on these 3 elements daily, purposefully, and consistently, which is very important. So if you are ready for that, I would love to again come to your campus next year also, or whenever you will remind me. I would love to interact and tell you, yes, where we have grown together. That's most important. Second important thing, the methodology. What is the my methodology? आपको कैसे करना है? This is a 5C formula. Consistency, when I say consistency, so this is your way to understand consistency. I'm sharing my story, how I learned consistency in my life. When I was a student, did my matriculation or 10th board, then I went for my +2 and I was brightest student, but consistently, I failed all entrance exam of engineering. What I learned one word, consistency. I'm very consistent in failing. What happened due to that consistency? It did not stop me to take admission from science to humanities. I did economics honors, and while I was preparing for my final exam of honors, I appeared in a state service and I became the youngest revenue officer of government of Bihar. I became the sales tax officer, which was at that time very good service. There is no doubt, though I didn't qualify UPSC, but I qualified a state service. When I learned consistency, I did not give up. I changed the track and I found I can do it, things happen. But if you get stuck at that time, if in course of your study, if you get stuck, I could not qualify engineering, it means that my life is of no use. What my parents will say, what my society will say, rubbish. That's the time that only you know your strength and you know your weakness. Only you know. Nobody others will tell you that these are your weakness and these are your, don't hear them. Because you are the best judge, you are the best architect. Again, start your vehicle, get into the vehicle and start driving for your career. That's the best decision. So now, if you are doing engineering, if you are doing management, if you are doing BCA, in whatever stream you are doing, just focus on what are those strengths. With that strength, suppose that you are good in coding, you are good in engineering, you are good in management, you are good in creative thing, you are good in something. That competency is very important. Just have one awesome competency, one in one area, work on it, make it awesome. If you love dance, just keep doing dance for 10 hours, 15 hours, 20 hours consistently. Make consistency and competency together, complementary to each other. Make one thing awesome, which is very important. If these two things will start happening from inside, you will start getting your courage and confidence. Yes, I can do it. I have this ability. Now I don't bother about what others are saying. You will start changing yourself. Your neuroplasticity will start working. Yes, this is how I can bring change in me. With these three things, also start working on communication. Communication does not mean that you should know English or any particular language. Just express, show confidence. With a proper confidence, I can express my views. Start with that. In your class, request your teacher, ma'am, I want to take class. Just give me 10 minutes time. And don't expect teacher will ask you, raise your hand. Make a routine in your class. I want to take a 10 minutes from a main platform, for 5 minutes, for 2 minutes, for 1 minute. If in any class there are 40 to 50 students, in a 1 week, you can make a rotation. Each and every student will come in front of everyone and he will speak and he will teach actually what he has learned, what he has been taught. He will explain everything. I'm telling you, in just 2 years, if you will develop this communication at excellent level. This is very ironical in India. We are studying in school to college from KG first class to PG or graduation level. 90% students, they lack communication in a proper way. 18 years we are investing in this education environment. And this amazing quality, which is very simple, little bit fear, and that fear happens to everyone. Everyone. You can ask to all your faculty teacher when they started teaching up now, what kind of fear they had. Just try to understand. So you just ask, and this is the platform you can groom yourself. Raise your hand, go forward and request, yes, I can do it. Finally, compass. Your compass, your vision. Your magnetic compass, how it is. You know. If you know yourself, you can drive. If you don't know your compass, very difficult. But don't get disheartened also कि ये क्या हो रहा है. You just have faith on your compass. Yes, I will achieve it. And this campus of your college and institute, they will certainly help you. They will guide you. They will coach you. And they will give you all the best what they are having. Stop complaining to anything. Just work on this 5C. You will be an amazing person. And for that, very small last formula I'm just going to share with you. Just see this. I'm just having da pani, coconut water. After when I rode 102.23 kilometer cycling, and right now my age is 53 plus, but always I feel I am of 25 years of age and my experiences is 28 years. So I'm keep adding my experience, learning new things. So at the age of 47, 48, I just thought to do things differently. What I did, I connected with my childhood passion. I live in Ranchi. I love Ranchi place. That's a very good place for weather and other condition. I started doing cycling. Now almost daily, I do cycling for 30 to 40 kilometers, but whenever I want, I go for long ride, not a very professional rider, just to understand my life, just to understand. Have one fun, have one passion, inculcate in your personality, whatever you like, whether music, sketching, dancing, running, marathon. If I ask to all of you in your campus, when you join your campus for 2 year course, or 2 saal mein, if you all will learn, if you learn to run in a marathon, half marathon only, just imagine, because you are the ambassador of your campus. The moment you will achieve this quality, who will stop you? Who will stop you? Only Falcon can beat you. And for that, you have to be very consistent. But yes, you can be excellent. Your institute, your campus will be proud. Your faculty, your director, sir, your chairman, sir, your founder, chairman, sir, all will feel, yes, I have given something to my young generation, my students, my son, my family. Just be ready for that. That what exactly I wanted to share to all of you. I'm always available to all of you. And again, thanks everyone for giving this opportunity. Now you can ask question as you like, and we can interact on chat box also. I'm just stopping this slide.
Students can ask their questions. First of all, thank you so much, sir. It was a very inspiring lecture, and we have learned a lot from your lecture, like many formulas we have seen, and I have noted it down also. So any student who want to ask any of the questions, so as I have briefed earlier also, you can just raise your hand and I would allow you to speak. I suppose Maninder, you want to speak something, so I'll just allow Maninder. You can come up with your question. I'll just... So Maninder, you have the rights to speak now. You can unmute yourself and speak. Maninder Singh, you have the rights.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Yeah, so sir, it was really an informative webinar. I just want to know one thing. As in your 5 C's, you talked about consistencies. So till what time should we be consistent?
Can kindly repeat your question?
Sir, you talked about consistency, that one person should be consistent and keep trying. So in case we have failed like 100 times, or till how much should we be consistent?
First of
and
all,
at what time?
Maninder, what I want to say, have you failed 100 times? First of all, tell me that.
Sir, there are some. No,
I want your experience.
Sir, not 100 times, but a lot of times actually.
Okay, great. So tell me one thing, if you want to swim, and if you want to learn how to swim, you will just keep standing at the shore or at the pond or at the swimming pool. Can you learn swimming?
No, sir.
Jump लेना पड़ेगा
Sir.
और नाक में पानी जाएगी, नाक में और मुंह में पानी जाएगी कि नाक और मुंह में पानी जाएगी तो तैरना छोड़ दोगे?
No, sir.
और अगर पूरा थ्योरी पीपीटी पे कॉलेज में पढ़ाई हो गया कि हाउ टू स्विम, तो तुम जाकर के कूद जाओगे और स्विमिंग सीख जाओगे?
No, sir, we need experience. We have to take small steps first.
Small understanding, take care of everything, and slowly you can learn that quality in a similar fashion. All your quality, you just determine one quality that you somehow want to improve. Make a sketch कैसे करना है, go for that, and in that line you have to be very consistent जब तक वो अपना नहीं हो जाए. आप मुझे बताओ इंडिया में कीबोर्ड, सिंथेसाइजर एंड पियानो कितने लोग बजाते हैं? बहुत लाखों लोग बजाते होंगे, बट जब ए आर रहमान
Yes,
बजाता है तो ए आर रहमान बजाता है, नोट्स तो वही हैं,
yes,
नोट्स तो वही हैं. व्हाट हैपेंड?
yes, sir.
हाउ ही बिकेम यूनिक. But wo uniqueness, these all quality we are having, we all have stopped growing, we all have stopped learning, and we all have stopped taking risk. And this is applicable not only to students, to all our faculty, to all generation, to everyone. There is no age limit. And we have so many experiences in the past. Just imagine. Even you can think of your founder chairman ki when he was born. Just imagine ki, do you know when he was born, in which year, Maninder? Your founding chairman?
No, sir, I don't have it.
1919. 1919. 1919, 4th of October. Maninder, your founding
Yeah,
chairman
sir, great.
born in the year 1919, 4th of October. और हम लोग जानते हैं अक्टूबर महीना बहुत अच्छा होता है. गांधी जी का जन्म हुआ, अमिताभ बच्चन का जन्म हुआ है. But there is
Yes, sir.
also one ironical sad story of India कि throughout our history 1999 में हम क्या जानते हैं, क्या पढ़ा है? Maninder, I want to ask the question to you.
Yes, sir.
क्या पढ़ा है 1919 के बारे में? क्यों फेमस है 1919? आप पंजाब से हो, आपको बताना पड़ेगा, ये एक्सक्यूज नहीं है.
Sir, at the moment, I don't have any idea.
जलियांवाला बाग.
Yeah, sir, yeah, sir.
13 अप्रैल 1999 को जलियांवाला बाग घटना हुई थी. तो आपको अपने राज्य, अपने लोगों के बारे में जो पास्ट है, जो हिस्ट्री है, टेक इट एज ए लेसन कि
Yes,
क्या
sir.
हुआ है, वो दर्द को महसूस करो, तब आप आगे
Yes, sir.
बढ़ोगे. आज केवल अच्छे चीजों में कि मॉल में जाना है और पिक्चर देखनी, उससे नहीं काम चलेगा. You have to understand your culture, you have to love your parent, you have to understand all surrounding. और जितने भी नॉलेज है ना, जो मैंने बोला ना, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन, वो
Yes, sir.
ऑब्जर्वेशन जाना पड़ेगा. एंड देयर आर अदर टू यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ गूगल एंड यूट्यूब का भी मदद लेना पड़ेगा, नॉट ओनली फॉर फन एंड एंटरटेनमेंट. एंड देन
Yeah,
ऑल
sir.
योर टीचर, फैकल्टी, एवरीवन विल हेल्प यू. सो थैंक यू मनिंदर. आई थिंक I have just answered your question.
Yeah, sir, thank you.
Yeah.
So
Alright, sir. I think
yes, yes.
there is something that would be really of interest to our students. So since you are a TEDx speaker, could you please share your journey of how you became a TEDx speaker and tell our students, because there would be many who would be looking forward to.
Kanika ma'am, actually the thing when I started, I was doing an MBA from IIM Ranchi, and at that time I was government servant in government of Jharkhand. So that time students came to me and they told me that they are going to organize TEDx IIM Ranchi. So in 2012 I had heard this word TED. What is TED? मुझे लगा कि टी ईट एंड ड्रिंक को लोग टेड कहते हैं, टी ईट एंड ड्रिंक को कहते हैं, टेड कहते हैं. तो then they explained me कि what is it अपना, तो I started liking it अपना. Then I helped them in organizing those events at IIM Ranchi 2012-13 when I was doing MBA. After that again I came back to my government job, and after that I took voluntary retirement from government job to understand the corporate world and get more experiences. So I joined JSW Steel as a DGM corporate affair. After that, I joined PricewaterhouseCoopers to look after GST implementation of Government of Jharkhand. During that time, I got an invitation from TEDx Indiranagar, Lucknow. Students from Amity University, they were organizing, and they found my story and my experiences quite interesting. So they invited me as a speaker. So I went there to share some of my experience, and my topic was formula of happiness. So what I had learned from my life and my experiences, I just want to share to all of them. So that's how things happened. In 2018, I gave a talk at TEDx Indranagar. Again, after that, I just want to, why not to create a platform in Ranchi for the people, for the community, for the state. So I started taking license. I started applying for license, and TED is a very particular in giving license. So what I did, initially, I tried for TEDx Ranchi, they rejected. Then I started putting different name, they rejected, many rejection. So when I put TEDx Kanke, then they might have Googled. They might have Googled what is TEDx, what is Kanke? Kanke is a place in Ranchi and very famous for 2 mental hospitals. We have 2 mental hospitals in Ranchi. That is one city that we are having a 2 mental hospital. So they found कि okay, this banda is थोड़ा पागल है, इसको TEDx Kanke का license दिया जाता है. So fortunately we got the license.
Yes,
We got the license, and we also have MS Dhoni from Ranchi. So we are very proud that we belong to a city जहाँ पे धोनी के रहने वाले हैं. पंजाब में बहुत सारे स्टार हुए हैं, बहुत सारे स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन हुए हैं. We had very few, so now we are also feeling a little bit more proud when we compare with other states. But fortunately, as we have got this license of TEDx Kanke, we are trying to build a community to engage the people and to create awareness. Life is short, but let us make it meaningful. And let us work together. That's the most important thing. And education is one most important tool where you can empower, where you can give a right information, where you can educate, where you can transform. And this is the whole objective of all the senior person from all across the society, not only from only teacher and faculty. We all are responsible to contribute to our society. So that's how things happened, ma'am.
Thank you so very much, sir. That was very inspiring, and I must compliment you on that, because I've observed this one thing which is common in all TEDx speakers, is that they are not inhibited while talking about their failures. I was just listening to another TED talk day before yesterday. It was by Miss USA 2016, and she talked about the fact that she was, when she went for her first beauty pageant, she was rejected not once, twice, thrice, but 6 times. But Abhi Maninder, he asked this question about consistency and how long we should keep trying. So there is an answer to that, and the way you talked about the fact that you were rejected twice, and still you kept going on, and you find a way out for yourself. I think that's very inspiring for all the listeners here.
Ma'am, I would also
Thank
like
you,
to
Kanika,
tell
for
I would also like
for asking the
may
same
I-
question. I wish to ask the same question, Kanika. Thank you for asking on my behalf.
I can read out the mind of people, maybe.
You can continue, Harman.
Yeah, thank you. I just wanted to tell all my attendees that sir he was not only a tax officer, a great thought leader, a public speaker, but he is also working very closely with the grassroots level entrepreneurs connected to the villages, and he has been transforming them to smart villages, and he's consistently working to bring changes in the society, via cycling as a motivational, hobby. Right, so as he showed that today's picture also, that he was cycling.
Sorry, actually there was some network issue, so I think I came back.
Yeah,
Yes,
so,
you're
I was just telling all the attendees that you have been so closely working with the grassroots level entrepreneurs, and using your cycling as a hobby, right? You're trying to motivate everybody. So you're doing a great job, sir.
Thank you, Harman, and thank you, Kanwalji, and thank you everyone for this opportunity. I'm always looking forward some more interaction and love to interact in future also. Let us bring. Yes.
Rajiv sir, I must compliment you, and I would like to take away from this that the way you have took consistency in your life. applaud for the same. I will try to imbibe that in me as well. Really great, sir.
Sir, I want to add one thing. Honorable Dr. Satyapal sir, we are celebrating his 100 years for birth century. Basically, whatever the examples you have quoted, they are very close to
Yes.
his personality. So his quote we generally share with students, and it is not disgrace if dreams are unfulfilled, but it is if we have no dreams to dream. See, whatever the details you have given, they're very relevant to our former chairman, Dr. Satyapal ji. Thank
Yes.
you, sir. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you. Namaste.
Rajiv sir, do we have time for 1-2 questions as students?
Yes, I'm okay with you. Apna. No issue. Apna. For whole
Okay.
day.
Sir,
There is something. Yeah.
I'll just ask, somebody has written in the chat box, Anurag Sharda. Sir, I am a defense aspirant and I failed in 10 exams just by 0.25 and 0.5 marks every time. And now I'm very tensed, but still preparing. So, sir, please tell how can I overcome my tension?
So just one thing, if you have applied for CDS exam, Central Defense Service exam, I'm sharing my experience when I was doing when I was in graduation. So I also got chance for CDS and I qualified for SSB actually, if you are aware of SSB. And I was invited for interview at Bhopal military cantonment area. I went there for selection, and the selection procedure is for seven days. They judge you, they check you, they do so many things to understand your mindset, your intelligence, your ability, your understanding. And in the last day, there is possibility that they will not choose a single candidate from that batch, or they may choose few also. So in my batch, there was 90 students, those who went there. And finally, only 2 students passed. Only 2 passed, and all 88, we returned back. So if you'll see, okay, 88 back, that doesn't mean that life has stopped. I became the youngest revenue officer of one of the state government. Choice is yours. If suppose that if you are not getting into, some big thing will happen, some very big thing happen. That consistency is important. That is the time to be cool, calm, and understand your strength. Because competition is such thing, it has a seat limitation. If there is a seat limitation, you cannot blame anyone. It is just like a relay race, in the last, if you slip and touch the final rope, you will be winner. So will you blame others ki they could not do it? You are a sports person. Your ability is to keep trying, and sometime if you want to change the track also, to know your strength, you should do it. Never ever stop and never ever feel कि मैंने पापा का सपना पूरा नहीं किया, सपना पूरा हो जाएगा वो. Yes, Kawal ji.
Sir, there is Karman Walia. Karman, now you can speak. You have some question or you want to share something, Karman?
Yes, Karman,
Yes,
please tell me.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, I'm really grateful to you for giving an excellent coverage on the topic Decode Inherent Intelligence and Leadership Traits. So thank you, sir, for sharing with us some best success formulas along with your opinion. All the things we have heard today from you in the webinar will surely be helpful for us in the future. And I really like the way you interacted with us. And thank you, sir, for taking out time from your busy professional schedule. And we really look forward to interact with you in more such webinars in future. And thank you, sir. Really, thank you.
Karman actually did my job. So मैंने thank you करना था, लेकिन I suppose sir is present. So we have last question, Jagdeep Kaur.
Kamal, network issue is there. I think sir is not.
Yes. So we can take up the question, Jagdeep Kaur. Meantime,
Just
you
wait
can
for few minutes.
right. Thank you, Karman, for giving such a nice feedback. So we'll just wait for a few seconds if sir can join back. Acha, Jagdeep by mistake. Okay, Jagdeep, don't worry.
Meanwhile, we have one more compliment from Manya. She says that, sir, your words remind me one quote. Don't settle for what life gives you. Make life better and build something. Thank you, because you are making a difference in people's lives. Thank you so much, Manya, for such wonderful words. I think sir has joined us.
Yeah, there's some issue actually. We cannot help it actually.
No
That's the
problem.
beauty. That's the beauty of network. Also, we should be thankful to Reliance Jio and some other operator also. This is such a monopolistic world for them. So if they want to do service apna, it's okay. If they don't apna, we cannot help it apna.
Sir, so thank you so much, sir, for joining us today. It was a very interesting and inspiring session, I must say, and students are giving their feedback. I hope you have heard the feedback given by Karman, as she has just told us that it was a very good lecture, and she thanked you for on the behalf of all the students. I suppose the students would be students would be having more clarity on how to go about in future about their career, how to make some goals, and how to carry on from there. So thank you so much, sir, for coming today. And so we, Harman, if we can, I would just extend you appreciation certificate, sir. I'll just email you the certificate. So
Thank you.
Dr. Kulwant, on the behalf of director, sir. So it's a virtual kind of a thing where we have to, if
Yes, yes.
you were physically present on the campus, we would have given you the guest of honor and all the trophies. And so
Okay,
this is our small certificate of appreciation. We would love to have you in future, sir. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Extremely
Thank you.
grateful, and thank you to everyone for this opportunity. And I would always love to interact with all your students because I'm very passionate when I interact with them. Because my objective is I take their energy so that I feel very energetic actually. So that's my fundamental formula for that. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So now all the students of first year, now they have a break of 15 minutes, and then they can carry on with their lecture. All the third semester students can move to their classes immediately after this session particularly. And thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you all the panelists. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.